So logarithm means we have some definition. Every positive real number n can be expressed in the form of exponential. So n means some natural number or real number, anything. So this we can write in the form of a power x, where a is called the base, a is called base and x is called the exponent. A is called the base and x is called the exponent. So if we have 49 or 64, 80, any number, if we have 49 means we can write the 7 square. If we have 64 means 8 square. If we have 25 means we can write 5 square. This both must be equal. So now the above equation n equals to a power x, we can write like this form also. Log n base a is equals to x. If we are having n equals to a power x, is also we can write that log n base a is equals to x. So previously I told that a is n is for some number, so it may be real number. So n is only for positive number, so it should not be negative number. And a is for base and x is for exponent. This form we can write like this also. Log n base a is equals to x. So in this n will not be negative, will not be a negative. It will be only positive number, that too greater than 0 alone. Should not be 0 also.
Okay, sir.
So we have the one formula now. A power x equals to n means, so we can write it that
Log n
log
with
n
base
base
x.
a is equals to x. So we can express this form. If you see some examples here, we have that log 27 base 81. We have this. So how do you find value of this, they are asking. So how do you find means the given number we are taking that small x and we are expressing in the down form log n base a is equals to x. So we are getting that, see. So you are getting one more page, right? Log 27 base 81 we have. See, sorry, see legend again. So we have the problem log 27 base 81. So this problem they given that we have the formula. This is our formula. A power x equals to n. We have, so we can express like this form also. X equals to log n base a. They given log n base a, but we are going to find the value of x. So how do you find and all? We can see that. So now x equals to, this is n, this is a. So we can take this side means a power x. A means 81 whole power x is equals to 27. So this we
So,
can
sir, what about that log?
log we can remove. I means we have that log n base a is equals to x. So this we can write in the form of n equals to a power x.
Okay, sir. Okay.
So here we have that n log n. So in place of n we have 27. In place of a we have 81. So the given problem we are taking that small x. So we are going to find that value alone.
Okay,
Or you
sir.
understood, right? Yeah. So now we can see that 81 whole power x is equals to 27. So 81 we can write that. 81 how can you write?
3 raised to 4.
Yeah, 3 power 4 means 81 means yeah, 3 power 4 we can write. So this will be 3 power 4 whole power x is equals to 27. We can write that
3 cube.
3 power 3. So 3 power 4 whole power x means we have one formula in the law of indices, a power m whole power n. So we can write that a power m into n, right? So
Yes,
you know
sir.
this identity. So
Yes.
so we can replace that. So 3 power 4 into x. So it will become 4x. It will be equals to 3 power 3. If you see that in the both LHS and RHS the bases are same. So that we can equate automatically the exponents also. So that we are getting that 4x equals to 3 implies we are getting that x equals to 3 by 4 equals to x equals to 3 by 4. So
Okay,
you
sir. I
understood?
understood. Yes, sir.
Similarly, we can take one more problem, anything. Log 25 base 125. How do you find the value of x?
So, sir, we will write 25 is equal to 125 raised to x.
Yeah, is equals to 125 whole power x.
So, we will write 25 is 5 square and
Yes.
125 is 5 cube
5 cube and whole power x.
for whole power x. So, then we can write 5 square is equal to 5 raised
5
to
power.
3x.
Yes.
So, we
So
can write
both
2 is
sides.
equal
Yes.
to 3x. So,
Yes.
we can write x is equal to 2 by 3.
2 by 3. Yes. Very good. Are you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
We have some note points. Unity has been excluded from the base of the logarithms in this case. So log n will not possible if n equals to 1. So log 1 base 1 you are getting means you will get infinity. So normally what we are writing log n base a is equals to x. The n value will be 1, so will not be 1. And if you are having log 1 base 1 means the value should be infinity, there's thing. Log 1 base 1 means the value should be infinity. And before that I gave one note point. The n value should not be negative. The n value should not be negative. That is also one note point you are going to think. And next note point we are having that a power log n base a is equals to n. See, so this is also one note point. A power log n base a is equals to n. See, if you take one number, 2 power log 5 base 2 is equals to 5. We have some identity here. Similarly, we can write that log a base a means the both numbers will be same, means that value should be 1. Means log 2 base 2, this value is 1. But log 1 base 1 will not be 1. Why? Means log 1 base 1 will be infinity. That we are going to remember that. This is also one note point. Means log n value is equals to a value. Apart from 1, then remaining value will be equal.
Okay,
You
sir.
get the number will be 1 will come. Okay. See here, we are having here log n base n is equals to 1. Log 1 base a is equals to 0. And log n base 1 by n is equals to negative. How should be log n base n equals to 1? This is one note point. In the similar manner, log n base 1 by n is equals to negative minus 1. So this how it means log n. So 1 by n means we can write n power minus 1. So this minus 1 will go up, so that we are getting that it will be minus 1. Okay.
Sir, can you give one example for that?
Yeah, surely. Log 5 base 1 by 5.
Yes, sir.
Log 5 base 1 by 5 means this we can write that log 5 1 by 5 means we can write that 5 power minus 1.
Yes, sir.
This one so this is in the base, so that we can write the 1 by minus 1, so that we are writing that log 5 base 5. So log 5 base 5 means already we know that log n base n, so it will be 1. Are you understood or not?
So this one I can't understand properly.
Yeah, I will go to this paint. You can see that. Now visible my screen.
Yes, sir.
See what I told. Log 5 base 1 by 5 I told, right?
Yes, sir.
So this we can write that log 5 base 1 by 5 means we can write that 5 power minus 1.
Okay.
So this base we are having that 5 power minus 1. So that what we can write means 1 divided by minus 1 will come. In the power what we have, that will come in the down. 1 divided by will come. Then apart from that, so next 1 divided by minus 1 means it will become minus 1. So next log 5 base 5 we have the formula. So therefore log n base n is equals to 1. We have some
Key point.
note point, so that we can write this value will be 1. So that it will become answer will be minus 1 always.
Okay, sir. Understood now.
Similarly we can take log 2 base 1 by 2 also. Any number also you can take like that. Okay, are you understood,
Yes,
right?
yes, sir. Now I understand.
Okay, thank you.